Now we're in Africville at the Seaview United Baptist Church. This is where the slaves from back in the day were pushed out. This is the church that they actually had reside to. And this church here has been here for a long time. I actually took a picture of the plaque that was there so I could read it and I could know what this is about. But so far I'm just videotaping the looks and the whereabouts of this area. And it's such a beautiful sight. It's here in Nova Scotia, Dartmouth. So the place is called Dartmouth. So we're here. It's an island off from Halifax, Nova Scotia. So over there, what we're looking at over there is Halifax. And this part here is Dartmouth. And this part here, right in the front of the lady. And there's Grace here, checking it all out. And I'll take a videotape of this on the water edge here, the waterfront. And you can actually see everything here. And this is the heart of the community here in this church. Near this church with waterfront, where the historical church of Africville was always the heart of the community, even before the Seaview African Baptist Church existed. So this church was here a very long time. And this is the plaque we put here, commemorating the history of the black people here in Nova Scotia. This is what it says here. And this is what it says here. Right? And this is the plaque. Trying to get a good view so you could read it and see exactly what it said. So this is the thing right here. So this is the thing here. Hang on, folks. Get back.